The 2025 Ram ProMaster has emerged as a top contender in the camper van market, offering a blend of spacious design, advanced technology, and robust performance. Its versatility and customizable features make it an ideal choice for van enthusiasts and professionals alike. Design and dimensions: the ProMaster boasts the tallest and widest standard cargo area in its class, providing ample space for various configurations. With 3 available cargo height options, including the super high roof, and 4 cargo length options, it caters to diverse needs. The super high roof option offers an impressive interior height of 86 inches, enhancing vertical space for storage or living accommodations. The low load floor and convenient step-in height simplify loading and unloading, a significant advantage for frequent use. Performance and capability: under the hood, the ProMaster is equipped with a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine, delivering 276 horsepower and 250 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 9-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission and a class-exclusive front-wheel drive system, it ensures a smooth and stable ride, even under heavy loads. The van offers a maximum towing capacity of 6,910 pounds and a best-in-class payload of 4,680 pounds, making it suitable for hauling additional equipment or trailers. Interior and technology: the 2025 ProMaster's interior is designed with modern conveniences in mind. The Uconnect 5 infotainment system features a 10.1-inch touchscreen with split-screen capability, integrated navigation from TomTom, and access to Sirius XM with 360L. Additional features include dual phone connectivity, Amazon Alexa integration, and a wireless charging pad, transforming the van into a high-tech mobile space. A 360-degree camera provides full visibility around the vehicle, aiding in maneuvering through tight spaces. Safety features: safety is a priority in the ProMaster, with a suite of advanced features such as active drive assist, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning with emergency brake assist, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and crosswind assist. These systems enhance stability and responsiveness, crucial for transporting valuable cargo or navigating unpredictable road conditions. Parallel and perpendicular parking assist further ease the challenges of parking in confined areas. Customization and versatility: available in 3 trims, Tradesman, SLT, and SLT Plus, the ProMaster offers extensive customization options. With 16 different configurations, ranging from compact 1500 models to extended 3500 versions, buyers can tailor the van to their specific needs. This adaptability makes it a preferred choice for various sectors, including mobile workshops and heavy-duty delivery services. Electric variant: in response to the growing demand for sustainable transportation, Ram has introduced the ProMaster EV. This all-electric version features a 200-kilowatt electric drive module, delivering 268 horsepower and 302 lb-ft of torque. Equipped with a 110 kilowatt-hour lithium battery pack, it offers a range of 162 miles in city driving conditions. The 800-volt electrical architecture allows for quick charging, with a 20% to 80% charge achievable in 55 minutes using a DC fast charger. The electric variant maintains the spacious interior and customizable features of its gasoline counterpart, making it an attractive option for eco-conscious consumers. Conclusion: the 2025 Ram ProMaster sets a new standard in the camper van market with its combination of spacious design, advanced technology, robust performance, and versatile customization options. Whether opting for the traditional gasoline model or the new electric variant, the ProMaster offers a reliable and adaptable platform for various applications, from recreational use to professional needs. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting updates.